Alright, hi, I'm JD, and today we're going to be doing is an exponential function. It's well, on the inside it's a lot of numbers and a lot of different variables, and the whole thing is being raised to a -2. So if you would, pause the video and see if you can try and do this problem on your own. Alright, so what I would do first is, that doesn't help. Alright. What I would do first is I would simply just simplify the inside before I distribute the -2. So multiply with whatever you can multiply with together. And I would take the numerator and denominator separately, and then I would look at them together. So I have 4 times a -3 times a -1. That gives me a positive 12. Next, I have the x's, so I add them, so it's x to -1. And then I have y to -1. Now in the denominator, I have 2 times -6, which is a -12. I have my y's. I'm going to add these two guys together. That's y to -6. And then I have x raised to -3. The whole thing raised to -2. So I keep simplifying the inside. This cancels out with this, right? 12 over 12 is just 1, so that cancels. Then I can mess around with this x and this x. Take the one that's greater, which is the -1. So it's -1 minus a -3. That's -1 plus 3, which gives you 2. So that is, so far, minus, negative sign. And then this, wherever I start with, that's where my result goes. So it's x squared. This, the y's, that ends up being, this is greater. So it's -1 minus a -6, which gives me -1 plus 6, which is 5. So the y is 5 over 1. You can put that there if you want, don't worry about it. Now, what's going to happen with this negative, I'm going to finish my work on this side. With this negative, it flips it, and there's a reason why I'm doing that. If I distribute, I'm going to have to flip it anyways, so I'm just going to flip it now. So I do that, so -1, and then it's x to the 2nd, y to the 5th squared. Right, so far so good. Now, you take this and you're squaring the -1. You're also squaring each of these exponents, so you're going to be multiplying. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 5 is 10. So that's x to the 4th, y to the 10, and this is squared, so it's just 1. And that's it.